We are here with Fall Duty.
Shut up, I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna kill you. Oh my god, I'm gonna kill you.
We'll get killed by poop tonight.
I don't want to be killed by your mom.
After that.
Alright, well here's number one. The Truffade Adder. Fast.
Truffade your mom's adder.
Stuff. Yeah, shut up. He's actually homosexual. So, like, I'm being honest too. And he's Hispanic. Here is my Bravado Banshee. Got that nice metallic orange with the weed symbol. Everybody likes the weed symbol. Here is my Korean Sultan. Korean Sultan right here. Red and black. This thing is super freaking hard to find. I only did it for this video, but it's okay. Here is my Pride and Joy car. Here we go. It is called the Classy Rhapsody. Got those nice flames right there. The nice hood scoop. And yeah,
nice
pretty cool
scoop.
car. And here's the Bravado Gauntlet. This is a recent car that was added to my garage. So yeah, hey, get on, or get in, I'll take you to my other garage.
Giggity.
What is it about great weather that makes everybody batshit? Why does nobody here really work? Why do we build a city in the desert and steal water from other people? There's a black
Okay, here we
sludge
go.
bubbling
Go to my
under the city.
next garage. Now, that was my high-end garage I just showed you guys.
Shut up. That was rude. I was finishing Rift Up Ramble. I level up now.
Okay guys, if you didn't know, here's my golden sniper like a boss. Quick scope the hell out of your face. Oh, wrong garage, I'm sorry. Don't ask.
Just invite me.
I don't want to invite you.
I'm not my mom. So don't let me.
Obey my text message. Oh my god, it's the wrong garage again.
Well, you only have 2 garages.
Shut up! I know, but I moved I just got a new one. It sucks. 'Cause I didn't want to go. I got the garage farther down. It's like by the beach.
Going down the one over.
The old one, that the Eclipse Tower. Oh yeah, guys, if you didn't know this, you can do this. Bang. Or whatever you want to call it. Oh, sorry. Alright, you gotta get out of my car.
Oh, you already did invite me. I wasn't paying attention. Oh, I can't accept the invite. I can't accept the invitation.
Hi.
Okay, first thing first on the list. Okay. Well, first off, this is my
Right,
Vector Ponto. It's a drug dealing car with that nice spoiler, that exhaust can in the back. know it. Okay, next is my Vapid Blade. This is also one of my prized possession cars. Drive this one a lot.
You know it.
Next on, we're going to the Ampanti Phoenix. It's a nice car. This one's also pretty rare. Next, we have the Dinka Jester. Not really much to say about that car. Here is the Inverto Corvette. Pretty nice car. Get this version of it with the topless. It's a lot better because it's a lot cooler, more customizations. Next is the E-Type. Not really much to say about this either. And here is the Garati Turismo. Yeah. And here's the Pagasi Zentorno. This is one of my first cars that actually was expensive that I bought. So this one is one of my cooler cars. Here's my Dabanchi Mascaro. Pretty cool, nothing really much about it. And of course, the Pagasi Betty 801 RR. Just a normal bike.